AirPods Pro 3 users are experiencing disconnects when fully charged due to battery synchronization mismatches between the buds and the charging case. Firmware issues, exacerbated by factors like humidity or recent software updates, cause the AirPods to misinterpret charge states. The H2 chip handles power management, but firmware bugs can misinterpret charge states, triggering disconnects to conserve energy. When the internal firmware fails to accurately track and report battery levels, it leads to false fully charged signals that cause disconnections. About 15 to 20% of users are still affected as of September 2025. Here's the fix. Ensure your AirPods and iOS are updated to the latest firmware, iOS 18.2 and AirPods firmware 7b1 or later. If problems persist, try cleaning the AirPods and case contacts, force resetting the AirPods, or using third-party apps like AirBattery to monitor battery status. If the problem continues, contact Apple support for diagnostics and potential warranty replacement. While current workarounds like resets and firmware updates often resolve the immediate disconnecting issue, longer-term solutions are in development. Industry trends point to AI-driven diagnostics in future iOS updates, which could automate fixes for battery sync problems. Next-generation AirPods are rumored to utilize solid-state batteries, which eliminate the electrolyte inconsistencies causing current issues. Proactive maintenance, such as monthly firmware checks via your iPhone, is key to mitigating risks. In the meantime, be mindful of environmental factors like humidity, as they can affect battery voltage readings. Future predictions show this will be less of an issue thanks to advanced chipsets. Although Apple has not issued a widespread recall, they are addressing the issue through free diagnostics and replacements under warranty. By staying informed and actively managing your device, you can minimize disconnects and maximize the lifespan of your AirPods Pro 3.